Welcome to your morning trading meditation. Before the charts open, before the market makes its first move, let's ground ourselves. Because real trading mastery isn't just about predicting the market, it's about learning to stay rooted while the market dances. Today, we focus on 4 powerful mindsets: letting go of control, detaching from the outcome, remaining calm under pressure, and accepting reality even when it doesn't meet our expectations. So find a comfortable position. Sit, breathe, be still. Let's begin. Bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale. Feel the cool air entering your nose. Exhale. Let it carry away tension, expectations, noise. Inhale. Exhale. Let yourself arrive fully in this moment. Now, bring to mind a trading scenario, maybe from yesterday, where things didn't go as you expected. Maybe the market turned against you. Maybe your setup failed. Maybe you felt the urge to fix, to chase, to control. Let's acknowledge this without judgment. This is not a mistake. This is part of trading. Just notice what shows up inside your body as you recall this. Tightness, frustration, disappointment. Breathe into it, not to fight it, not to push it away, but to make space for it. This is the practice of acceptance. You are not your thoughts. You are not your emotions. You are the space that holds them. Let them come, let them go. ACT teaches us something radical, that control is the problem, not the solution. The more we fight the market, the more we try to force a result, the more suffering we create. Today, we let go. Say silently to yourself, I allow the market to move as it will. I do not need to control the outcome. I choose presence over prediction. Let this moment be your anchor. Feel your breath again. Now ask yourself, what kind of trader do I want to be, regardless of profit or loss? Calm, disciplined, patient, courageous. Hold that value in your heart. This is what ACT calls committed action. Acting in alignment with your values, not your feelings. Even when your mind screams, even when your P&L fluctuates, you stay true. Because you are not here to control the market. You are here to control your response. Now let's visualize. Imagine the market opening today. A sharp move against your position. Your old self panics, reacts, tightens, but not today. Today, you breathe. You feel the discomfort. You notice the thoughts, but you don't buy into them. You're grounded, clear, rooted in your system, detached from results. You respond, not react. Say to yourself, the market can move up or down. I remain steady. My value is not tied to my trades. I accept the outcome and honor the process. Let these words echo in your mind like a mantra. Repeat, I let go of control. I detach from outcome. I accept what is. This is the real edge, not in indicators, not in predictions, but in presence. You can't control the market, but you can control the way you show up for it. That is your power, and that is enough. Now, bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this calm into your trading day. You are ready, not to win, not to chase, but to trade with integrity, presence, and peace. This meditation was inspired by the principles of acceptance and commitment therapy, popularized by ACT Made Simple by Russ Harris. If this helped you center your mind for the trading day ahead, subscribe for more mindful trader content. And remember, you are not the outcome. You are the observer. You are the strategy in action.